In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular drone model or any other one from DJI, you can follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to perform a full reset on your drone. So this will be primarily done using their mobile app. So open the DJI Fly app. There might be additional options to reset the drone, but this is the one that I'm going to be showcasing in this video using the app. So when you open the DJI Fly app, tap these three dots that you see at the top right corner of the screen. And now under the About section, scroll all the way down and you will find Reset All Settings. Below this, you will also have the option to wipe all of the data, so anything that is included in its storage, you can choose both. So I recommend removing all of the data first if needed and then reset all of the settings. This will perform a factory reset on your DJI Mini 4 Pro. And usually this can help if you are having trouble using it, if it has connection problems, or if it is simply not working properly. So by resetting all of the settings, performing a factory reset, this can help clear out any temporary glitches that you might be facing. And the option is going to be available under the About section on the DJI Fly app. This will also work for the Mavic series, the Air series, the Flip series, Neo series, and also FPV. As soon as you do this, you will get a confirmation prompt, choose yes, and then the reset will begin. This doesn't take long, so just give it a few seconds, and it is going to be fully reset. You will see this message here, data in internal storage and SD card will be wiped, the logs, the unlocking licenses, and other user data. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.